in north central Arkansas, northeastern Pope. P.O.P.E. County in central Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dabney, or 17 miles southwest of Marshall, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marshall, Marcena, Kay, Witt Spring, Duff, Dabney, Point Peter, Maumee, Eula, Bohannon, Woolham, Imo, Watts, St. Joe, Pindle, Gilbert, Zach, Lorette, Canyon, Morningstar.
This is a tornado watch.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 430, effective until 2 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Arkansas, Cleburne, Conway, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Spring, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Pope, P.O.P.E., Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, Van Buren, White, and Yell. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA weather.